Welcome to the SLX 260, the first sport boat from Sea Ray to carry our new design language. We have our S-shear line that goes from the stern to the bow that creates that elongated look. You have your center crease that runs through the middle with the integrated logo, and you have your forward jaw line. This boat is 25 feet 7 inches with a beam of 8'6". It's powered by a 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower Mercury MerCruiser engine. This engine package gives you an estimated range of 198 miles at cruise speed of 27 miles per hour and a wide open throttle between 43 and 45 miles per hour. This boat comes available with 3 types of gel schemes. You can do a whole side, you can do a full hull, or you can do a 3-zone. You also have the availability of a gel stripe with your whole side and your full hull. We're here at the transom of our SLX 260. A couple of options and features of this boat that I want to point out are you have an integrated storage for lily pads, inflatables, and other water toys. Also in the storage area, you'll have your battery switches, your parallel switch, and your air pump for all your water toys. We have our transom shower, which is a part of the water system bundle. I'm actually standing on sea deck. This is the gray. It's also available in brown. And then we have our integrated manual swim step that folds out into the water. Even with the swim step, you still get a 4-step stern boarding ladder. In addition to all that, you have a cooler that's located here, or it's a great place to stow your lines or shoes when you're leaving the dock. You have an integrated ski tow point located here. And as we make our way into the transom, you'll see that you have a fuel fill, and then we have a block off door right behind me. As we step in, we have a teak step that's located right here. And then if you start to look at the sun pad, you can see that it's an expansive sun pad with cup holders, USB power, and a Fusion audio control. Now let's take a look at the cockpit. As we make our way into the cockpit, we have 2 in-floor storages, one here at the walkthrough, and then we have one in the center of the cockpit floor. The seating's been redesigned completely from the previous boat to provide better ergonomics and comfort. We also have 3 upholstery colors. You have your stone, ivory, and dune. We also have 2 flooring colors. This is shown in gray. We also have a dune color. In addition to that, we also offer infinity flooring through the cockpit, so you can get the infinity in brown or gray as well. Overhead structure. This is the new next generation power tower with the extended sunshade that comes on the back, or the T-tops that open up. This is an upgraded option, or you can do a bimini top. As we move forward, you'll see that we have 2 captain's chairs, one on the starboard and one on the port side. Both have flip-up bolsters. They both slide forward and aft, and they also rotate so you can be a part of the conversation if you're at those seats. Starboard side, you have storage for 2 soft-sided coolers. On the port side, you have storage that integrates in with your transom storage to put your life jackets and other things that you need to stow for the day. This boat overall has a storage capacity of about 24 cubic feet over its predecessor. As we talk about the audio in this boat, it's all integrated into the boat. That's part of the entertainment bundle. What you get with the entertainment bundle is you get the Premier audio system upgrade, and you also get inductive charging that's located at the dash. You have 7 7s that come with the Premier audio upgrade that go in the cockpit. You have 7 7s on the transom and 7 7s in the bow with a 10-inch sub and the new Apollo series amps from Fusion that go with the Apollo 770 head unit. As we start to make our way a little forward here in the cockpit, you'll see that we have a head compartment. This boat is equipped with a vacuum flush head. You can also leave it blank, and it's a really good storage area for those items that you bring aboard during the day. The cockpit is full of cup holders. So you have 4 located here in the port side corner. You got 1 each behind your 2 captain seats, and then you have them in the storage tubs and at the helm. Also available in this boat is the comfort bundle. What does that include? You get a teak table for your cockpit, you get a teak table for the bow, also a filler cushion. Here at the helm, we'll start off with the port side. So on the port side, we have a nice glove box here that locks. You can put your valuables in here for the day. As we make our way to the starboard side, you'll see the Fusion Apollo 770 head unit, part of the entertainment bundle. Also available is the inductive charging located here at the helm. So you just take your phone, if you have the ability to charge, lay it right there in the center and start charging your phone. The other nice feature that we've done is we've added a place to actually stow your phone while you're underway on both sides, and if you have an iPad, it'll stow right in the middle. The boat comes standard with 9-inch Simrad displays. Included in the displays are charts for North America. You get a depth finder, so an Echo with a true depth finder. You also get Naviop digital switching, which is customized to this boat, so you can control all the functions on the boat, including your lighting. You also get Mercury Vessel View link data straight to the displays. In addition to that, you also have Vessel View Mobile on this, so you can get all the engine data straight to your phone. Also included on this boat is First Mate. So First Mate is a new option for us that's included on this boat, and you can wear it for a captain's fob, so if you fall overboard, it's automatically going to kill the engine. You can expand that up to 7 passengers, so you can put it on the kids, or you can put it on the dog or any of your other passengers. If they should fall overboard, it's going to tell you exactly where they are right here on your charts. Moving to the starboard side panel, you'll see all your major functions are right here. So all your running lights, your anchor, your horn, all located right there. You'll see the next generation Mercury controls. So that includes your active trim and your start and stop. One thing not located here at the helm is your key switch. Your key switch is going to be in the storage area right here, up high and tight. So when you get on your boat, you're going to turn your batteries on, come here, turn your key switch on, and you'll do your start stop from the helm. So on the port and starboard side, we have storage nooks that hold your small devices. In addition to that, we have USBs on either side so you can charge your phones while they're stowed away. This boat's also equipped with the lighting bundle. What does that include? That's your docking lights, your whole side lit up badges, and RGBW lighting. So it's all your accent lighting, your underwater lights, all controlled through your dash. In addition to that, when you have the power tower and the lighting bundle, you get a Sea Ray logo projection light that comes down from the tower. As we're making our way to the bow, you'll notice we have a wide walkthrough for easy bow access. Located under the starboard helm, you'll see that we have a trash can. The other really nice feature on this boat is the one-piece bow block-off door that locks in place so you can block the wind while you're underway with the windshield closed. So on the port side, you have your water fill, and on the starboard side, you have your pump out. Under your seats in the bow, you have extensive storage on both sides. You also have an in-floor storage. On the port side, you have a hinge cushion that folds aft, and on the starboard side, you have a cushion that hinges up and then double hinges to give you an expansive storage area under the helm, where you hold your tables and your bow filler cushion. And then forward, we have the anchor bundle. And with that, you get a stainless steel anchor and a windlass. And then we also have the water system bundle, which we talked about earlier. So that includes the transom sprayer, the bow sprayer, and the pressure water system. Also equipped on this boat is the essentials bundle. You get SeaDeck on the swim platform, you get fender clips along the side of the boat, you get your cockpit and tonneau cover, and then you get a flagpole with an American flag. If you're outside the US, you'll just get a flagpole. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the SLX 260. To learn more, to find your local dealer, or to build your own, visit us at searay.com.